Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Fairstone account using a mobile web browser. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.fairstone.ca. Hit search. Now tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and then log in from the drop-down menu. Scroll down. So here you will see the purple login button. This is what you will tap to sign in. You need to enter your email and password linked to your Fairstone account to successfully log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply tap register here to create one. And if you need help, there are links for frequently asked questions. Contact us, all of which can assist with things like forgotten passwords, loan details, and general support. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your Fairstone account dashboard. Here you can view your loan details, check your next payment date, update your personal information, and contact Fairstone for support all in one place. If you have forgotten your password, just tap Forgot Password on the login screen. You'll receive an email with instructions to reset it securely. And that's it. That's how you log into your Fairstone account on a web browser and navigate all the useful options available. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.